You are watching the Tim Kreitz Adventures channel. Welcome.
Hello everybody, this is a very special episode of Tim Kreitz Adventures for me because this has been the year of getting to ride with my friends who ride motorcycles but live far away from me, and we're continuing that theme. On this episode, I ride with Arizona RE. We're in the mountains of New Mexico and he met us here. We came from Texas, he came from Arizona. We're riding towards Sunspot. We're going to check out a couple of scenic overlooks, ride down to Timberon, and then just spend a couple of days finding the best roads around here. I've never been to this place before. What's it called? Kathy's Canyons or something like that?
Vista. If you go up this trail like a couple of 100 yards, there's a really cool vista you can see.
Oh, nice. Let's shall we? I was taking a picture of you taking a picture of us.
I hope it comes out.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, he's gonna go get fuel. Dude, you need a handle for that?
You got one? I always forget something. Great thing about this camera is you don't need a gimbal. Wow. But a handle is helpful.
Otherwise, oh shit. This is what vloggers look like.
This is retarded.
Dork.
Exactly. Super nerds. Oh.
I'm gonna walk around with my GoPro now. Hi everybody. It didn't happen.
We're going to make vids.
Bloggers blogging.
We're going to work our asses off so we can get 200 views on YouTube. Bear poop. Well, this is pretty cool, but yeah, they have too many trees right here.
Blocking my view of the forest.
But that's still pretty cool. So I assume that's Alamogordo down there, Cliff?
I think so.
Yeah.
Should be, yeah.
Let's consult the sign.
Yeah.
In the distance is Alamo Canyon, the source of much of the water supply for the city of Alamogordo. Alrighty then. Finally getting to ride with Arizona RE. Jeff and I have been friends for so long, we met through YouTube. And once again, much like the California ride, I'm finally getting to ride with more cool people I've never gotten to ride with before. This is the best. The Woodsman Country Store, open. All right. This is exactly the type of place we need. Oh, and Wes and Jim are here. That's kind of how this ride works, is that everybody just does whatever they want to do. We end up in a lot of the same places, but at the end of the evening, we'd all meet back at the hotel and we drink beer, have dinner, talk about all the cool stuff we did, and just have a great time. It's totally awesome. I think you made a friend, Jim. I think you made a friend for life.
No doubt.
That is the most laid-back cat ever.
Yeah. Likes that head scratching.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, I know.
Try to pair those centers, and what we were trying to do is keep the guys on one channel and the girls on the other channel. That's the way we liked it.
Yeah.
But every time we took off, it was different kind of. It was kind of like potluck. We had to mess with it until we got it right. So we were leaving out of a parking lot, and I was going to lift the front end over a speed bump. So I hit that GS and was just going to kind of make the whip float a lighter.
Yeah.
I wheelied that thing about that. I think around my wife was sitting back there. And she went to cussing and hollering and slapping. Well, she had accidentally gotten hooked up to my buddy. She's like, what did I do? You know, she thought he was screaming, or he thought she was screaming at him.
Well, this was a fantastic day of riding. What we're going to do now, we just got back into Cloudcroft and refueled for tomorrow. I'm going to go up to the cabin here, regroup as it were, clean my bike up a little bit, and then I'm going to have myself a couple of cool treats, if you know what I'm saying. And I want to show you guys, it's pretty badass how we work this out. Jeff and I have this cabin right here, cabin 28 at Spruce Cabins, and literally right down the way there, which I will show you, like a 5-second walk, is where Cliff's cabin is at a different resort, or a different hotel rather. Yeah. Walk down here, out of the yard, across the alleyway, down this little hill, and there's Dusty Boots. Gotta kind of be careful. After a few beers, coming back up this in the dark is not the coolest thing you've ever done, but this could not have worked out better. We didn't even ask for that specific cabin, they just gave it to us, and here we are at Dusty Boots. And here's everybody, here's all the bikes, everybody's getting back from their rides. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate the use of those components.
You're welcome.
Good morning, everybody. Another beautiful day, another beautiful ride. Headed toward a place called Fort Stanton near Ruidoso, New Mexico. Out in front of me, that giant mountain is called Sierra Blanca. And we are just, for my money, in the most beautiful part of New Mexico. This is my favorite part of New Mexico by far. So I have a confession to make. You're telling me that this is where one of the, not one of the scenes was filmed in Young Guns, but one of the key things that happened was supposedly happened at the Lincoln County Courthouse, right?
Right, yeah, this is the escapability kid from the second story.
Okay, gotcha. Well, I have a confession to make. I've never seen that movie in my life.
What is the matter with you?
I know,
You haven't
right?
seen that? You haven't seen Tombstone?
No. And I haven't seen Harley-Davidson and the Marlboro Man.
All right, folks. I used to say Tim Kreitz was one you could count on for cultural relativism and
Pop culture, history, yeah.
I'm afraid he's gone down in rankings.
Yeah, I lost some clout. This place looks really cool. It's been so long since I've been here, I kind of forgot what it looked like and what era it was from.
This thing was used, it was active for an awfully long time.
Oh.
I think one of the reasons why it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, it was because it was kept up so well.
Mm-hmm. We could not have picked a more perfect day to come to Fort Stanton because they are going to fire the cannons. Okay, so you know what's happening, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I to blow some shit up.
Oh, this is going to be so great. We could not have picked a better day. Dan, thank you guys for doing that. That made my day. It was worth the trip.
Things we have to do. I don't really enjoy it that much.
Yeah. Oh darn, we have to fire the cannon today. Thanks, guys.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. Thanks, guys. That's right. Sound of America. Man, talk to you later. Everybody's heading home, and so am I. What a great trip. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Tim Kreitz Adventures. Bye.